Welcome back, investors. We have yet another big runner with over 275% gains at one point in 2021, and at the current levels, it is still trading at around 134% gains for the past 2 months in 2021. Now, this ticker symbol is going to be AREC, American Resource Corp. And if you guys want to catch plays like this, make sure you sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of this video. Don't forget to smash that like button as well. So in today's video, we're going to be looking at 3 penny stocks with news grabbing attention from analysts right now. So these are going to be some analyst picks that we're going to be looking at right now. So let's dive on in and check them on out, guys. The first penny stock on our list is going to be GT Biopharma Inc. So shares of GT Biopharma have been one on the move for the better part of the last few weeks. Now, thanks to a series of key milestones, it's going to from trading under $4 to over $6. Also, the latest analyst rating from Roth Capital just shed a brighter light on GTBP stock as well. This week, the firm initiated coverage giving a buy rating and announced a price target of $25 per share. That is huge right there. If it's currently trading at around $6, that gives it an upside of about 400% gains right there. Now, this rating comes after GT Biopharma recently reported favorable preclinical results for the ROR1 trike in treating prostate cancer. Earlier this month, the company reported data on the ROR1 trike. It showed efficacy in promoting NK cell killing of multiple prostate cancer cells. This was meaningful enough that CEO Anthony Cataldo explained further evaluation is planned along with additional IND-enabling preclinical studies to transition to a phase 1-2 clinical trial. Now, on the heels of this, GT Biopharma given an interim update this week on its lead candidate, GTB-3550 trike clinical trial results. This is the company's candidate for treating myelodysplastic syndrome and refractory relapsed acute myeloid leukemia. The company said enrollment to date included 9 patients. Even at the higher dose levels, all patients treated displayed no sign of any grade of cytokine release syndrome, which is a negative side effect that currently platforms can trigger. So right here is going to be another quote by the CEO. This early data indicates GTB-355 therapy demonstrates significant bone marrow blast level reductions in AML and MDS patients. Its ability to work in the patient without outside supplements, engineering NK cells, or the need for any combination drugs sets trike apart from other cancer therapies. This is also the reason why trike therapy will be significantly less expensive than other treatments, opening the door to an off-the-shelf therapeutic. So this is great news for anybody that's investing into this company, guys. This one is going to be ticker symbol GTBP. It was up about 3.5% today, currently trading at around $6.52. If we take a look right here, analysts have this one on bullish for the short term, the midterm, and even the long term. So all the analysts are very bullish on this one. Like we said, one of them even gave it a price target of $25 per share, which is huge. If we take a look right here, this stock was trading at around $2, $3 in 2020, end of 2020. It went to highs up here of about $13.09 at the end of 2020. Pulled back down, obviously, right here. We had a split for 1 for 17 on 2/11/2021. This stock went down here to lows of about the $3.90 level, but volume was huge right here for we trade about 4.49 million shares. Usually we're trading around 200,000, 300,000 shares every single day. So this was a huge day. The stock went from the lows of 390 all the way to today's highs of 652. So that's already about a $2.50 upside right there just in a matter of a few days. The good thing is the stock didn't go any further than that area right there. This was a previous resistance area, and we know that previous resistance areas become new support levels. So it bounced off of that previous resistance area that we had here multiple times throughout 2020. Which is built in right there. That was good. So it bounced off of that. We're going to be looking forward to this one to bounce up and fill in that gap between the $7.50 area. Then we have all the way until about $8.50, $9 before we continue to move higher and higher. Now, potentially, this one, with all this positive news, with these analysts giving it a $25 price target, I'm going to give this one a price target of $15 per share for 2021 and further on, which still gives it over 100%, around 150% upside for the rest of the year. So let me know in the comments below, what do you guys think about GTBP? As always, guys, I appreciate each and every one of you watching my content. So go ahead and smash that like button. Let's aim for 150 plus likes in the first 24 hours of this video being up. Also, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I upload a new video. We upload a new penny stock video every single day. If you guys want to sign up for Webull and get your 2 free stocks today, go ahead and use that link in the description. You'll get 2 stocks worth up to $1,800. And as always, let's get into the rest of the countdown. The second analyst pick on our list is going to be American Resource Corporation, which is the one we talked about in the beginning of the video. So this is going to be electric vehicles and green energy have been 2 buzzwords of 2021 with momentum fueling related stocks. Now, one of the areas of this niche has begun gaining a bit more attention is the ecosystem outside of finished products of energy service providers. These aren't the cars of the power companies, they're the components that go into making the cars and generating the power. Now, American Resource Corporate supply raw material to a new infrastructure and electrification marketplace. Most recently, AC Wainwright weighed in on the stock, giving it a buy rating along with a $4.50 price target. As of this week, AREC stock closed in on that level after a few key point updates. Now, the most recent of these updates involved the news that the American Resource plans to build a 2 kilowatt mobile electrolytic cell rare earth processing plant. The facility will use previously acquired technology and patents from Ohio University. Now, the CEO of American Resource Corporation added, having signed this contract less than a quarter ago to finalize the acquisition of the patented technology's rights, and now today being able to announce our progress to move forward with the building of the first facility, showcase our desire to move rapidly on the commercialization process. The electrolysis stage of our capture process purifying technology process chain is a game changer when it comes to producing low-cost, environmentally safe REE concentrate. Now this one, ticker symbol AREC, it was up about 7.5% today, currently trading at $4.58. Like we said, this one, closed out 2020 up here at around $1.65, $1.75 area, close to $2 area. We went all the way to highs of about $8 right there, which is huge if we actually take a look at that. $8 right there, wow. Big run right there. Then we saw obviously a pullback as the market pulled back. The Nasdaq pulled everything back down mid-February as we had a tech sell-off. So most of these penny stocks kind of pulled back down. It went to lows down here of $3.18, which is a huge drop. That's over a 50% drop that we saw in a matter of about half a month or so right there. And very low volume. We only traded between 1 and 3 million shares pretty much every single day right there. But we bounced off of that $3 area, the $3 and a couple cents area. We're back up to $4.58. We're trying to fill that gap back up. Now with this one, I'm going to give this one a personal price target for 2021 of about $7.50. I think we could definitely get back to that area as we already hit that area in 2021. We could potentially go even higher, but we're going to give it a low target. That way we can hit that home run. We're going to, aim low but hit high. So that's the goal right there. I think it's going to even continue to run even further, but we're just going to give it a $7.50 price target and lowball it a little bit. So what do you guys think about this one? What do you guys think about AREC? Let me know in the comments below as well. And the third penny stock looked at by analysts is going to be Tonix Pharmaceuticals Holdings Corp. So another one of the biotech penny stocks we've discussed a lot is going to be Tonix Pharmaceuticals. So the company has experienced a strong year overall. Even with its pullback in late February, the general trend since January 4th is a bullish one. This week, the company reported its Q4 and full year 2020 results. EPS was significantly up from about a year ago. Now, Tonix reported a loss per share of 10 cents, which was much better than its loss per share at $2.86. Even though the net loss widened, the market appeared to receive the details in stride. Now, the chief executive officer of the company said in 2021, we expected to deliver on several important milestones following on the success of our first pivotal phase 3 fibromyalgia study. Relief, we look forward to reporting interim and top-line data from a second potential pivotal phase 3 fibromyalgia study. Rally this year, we recently reported that we achieved enrollment in the first 50% of the participants in the rally, which we expected will be the interim analysis cohort. We also expect to report preclinical efficacy data from our Rona vaccine candidate this quarter and start a phase 1 study in humans in the second half of this year. Now, a report on Wednesday gave efficacy results for its Rona vaccine treatment, TNX-1800. 8 animals were vaccinated with the TNX-1800. They had undetectable SARS-CoV-2 in their upper and lower airways 6 days after the challenge with SARS-CoV-2 with this data. Now, Tonix now plans to advance TNX-1800 to a human phase 1 trial later this year. Right now, analysts at Alliance Global have a buy on the stock along with a $4 price target, which actually give this one about 200% upside or a little bit higher than that. So ticker symbol is going to be TNXP, and this one was up about 18.11% today, which is great. It was up about 23 cents, currently trading at $1.50 per share. And on this one, analysts are very bullish on this one, as we see right here. On the short term, it's bullish, mid-term, it's bullish, and the long term, it's bullish. So we hit all three of those with the bullish mark right there, which is a great sign. We ended off 2020 right here around the 70 cents area, and we went all the way up to about a $2.12 area. So we saw an upside of about 200% right there. The stock obviously pulled back down once again as the Nasdaq pulled down the tech sector, and everything else pretty much fell with it, including almost all penny stocks. Went down to lows of 81 cents, which is a great buying opportunity for anybody that believed in this company for the long run, as it went from that 81 cents to $1.50, which is about a 70 cents gain, which gives it almost a 85-90% gain in a matter of what, 2 weeks. So in 2 weeks, you almost made a 100% gain just on that dip buy right there at the low. So this was a great buying opportunity for anybody that got in. Now this one, I think, is definitely going to continue to run throughout 2021, especially as we, progress into the human trials and go away from the animals. But the animals, which was a great, stage right there. Now we're moving to the human trials, which is going to be a great opportunity once again to show that this, vaccine is going to be working, hopefully. And if it does, I'm going to give this one a price target for 2021 of $3 per share. This gives it 100% upside from my current price right now. So definitely 100% upside for the rest of 2021. That's going to be my personal price target that I'm going to be seeing with Tonix, Pharmaceutical Holdings. You guys let me know in the comments below. What do you guys think about this one? Do you think it can reach that $3 area, or do you think that that's too much for it? Let me know. I think it could even go further, especially if they have more positive data throughout the rest of 2021 and then 2022. Once we get some more clinical trials in the humans, I think this one could definitely continue to be a nice runner. Now, as always, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. All of this is just for educational purposes. These are just 3 penny stocks right now that are grabbing attention from analysts. We saw some of them. They have price targets going from the current price of $6 all the way up to $25, which gives it about a 300+% upside. So before investing into any stocks, especially penny stocks, make sure you speak to your financial advisor and do your own due diligence. If you guys want to sign up for Webull and start trading, there's going to be a link in the description. Get your 2 free stocks when you sign up today. They're going to be valued at up to $1,800. You guys can do some paper trading on there with fake money until you start to learn how to trade stocks if you've never traded before. And as always, guys, smash that like button for me. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video. Leave a comment below. What penny stocks are you trading right now? Or are any of these on your watch list? I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys next time. Goodbye.